In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish files to the Figma community. First, head over to figma.com and sign in. You can do this in your browser or the desktop app, whichever you prefer. Make sure you're using the account and workspace where your file lives, so everything is available when you're ready to share. Open the project that contains the file you want to publish. Before you move on, take a moment to tidy things up. Clear naming, organized pages, and consistent component structure make your resource easier to understand and more valuable to others. If you're sharing a design system or template, verify that key components and styles are documented inside the file. Look to the top right of the interface and click Share. This is where Figma keeps options for collaboration and publishing. In the menu or modal that appears, choose Publish to Community. This will open the publishing setup where you'll add the details people will see on your community page. Start by describing your resource, give it a clear, searchable title, and write a concise, friendly description that explains what it is, who it's for, and how to use it. Call out what's included, like pages, components, or prototypes, and mention any setup instructions. If the file builds on another resource, note that here. A brief version note can also help people understand what's new or improved. Next, set a thumbnail. This is the first impression your file makes in search results and on your profile. Choose or create an image that represents the resource clearly. You can select a frame from your file or upload an image. Keep text large and high contrast. Use plenty of white space. And make sure the thumbnail still reads well at small sizes. Add your final details. Pick a relevant category so people can find it. And add a few specific tags that describe the content and use case. If Figma asks for a license or usage terms, choose the option that matches how you want others to use your work. Double check any brand or asset permissions to make sure you're allowed to publish what's inside the file. You can also enable comments if you want feedback from the community. When everything looks good, click Publish. Figma may run a quick check and then generate your community page. Share the link with your audience and keep an eye on feedback. If you need to make changes later, update the file and publish an update with a short note so users know what's changed.